Welcome to this year's first event. We're going to talk about sharing across social media channels and selecting the right tools. Think about how can you open up your business. Do I write the same thing on Twitter and then I copy and I paste that onto Facebook and I stick it on LinkedIn and I put it out there on different conversations? How do you guys go about doing? Is a blog a social media site if you allow comments? How do you determine the best social media channels? Who uses Twitter as their primary resource here in this room? Who in here has chosen LinkedIn as their primary way of getting information out there? Who here has used Facebook as their primary means of getting information out there? Who in here is using YouTube as the primary way of getting their message out there?
I see all the, I'm going, why are these people trying to reinvent what's already out there?
So I spend most of my time in groups talking with colleagues across the country on different topics.
In LinkedIn groups.
And in LinkedIn groups.
Yes.
LinkedIn is a fabulous tool if you're job hunting.
I've met more members off of LinkedIn than I have with Facebook.
We use Social Mention, Hootsuite, Google Alerts, RSS feed, and we monitor some forums, and that's how we get a lot of our information coming.
If you're using Facebook as a business, you might want to put a clause in there or a statement about your company and your integrity.
Good morning, my name is Emily, and I'm the digital marketing and social media specialist for GolfTech. And our Twitter tip for you all is to, if you aren't on Twitter already, start getting on Twitter.
I'm Kevin Campbell, Kevin Campbell Films. I was in the YouTube group, and we were talking about customer testimonials.
Good morning, my name is Abby Hoke and I'm with AEB Graphics. It was a great tip to create a QR code or an MS tag.
Hi, my name is Jim Mueller. I'm the founder and president of The Great Online. I was with the LinkedIn group, and our tip this morning is creating a valuable link for your website.
Our next meeting is going to be on Friday, February 17th, and we're going to talk about privacy and copyright.